In recent times, the CRM industry has turned into a packed field, with new platforms constantly entering this sector. Still, the long-standing options haven't lost their relevance. Monday and Pipedrive stand out because they've matured over time, refining everything from pipeline management to workflow automation. Their back-and-forth competition has led to cleaner interfaces, stronger customization, smoother integrations, and more thoughtful tools for daily operations. But choosing one system isn't always simple, especially when both offer depth in different ways. That's why we're taking a close look at Pipedrive and Monday CRM, laying out how each one works so you can see which system feels more in tune with your business structure. Let's start with what you see when you first open your eyes to these tools. When you step into Monday, it feels like walking into a vibrant, busy marketplace. It's colorful, as you can see, and it uses what they call a board system, which looks a bit like a spreadsheet but much friendlier. You have rows and columns you can paint with different colors to show status. It's very modular. You can drag things around and build the house exactly how you want it. On the other hand, Pipedrive feels more like a more professional, well-organized workshop. It doesn't have all the flashing lights. It's built for one thing: focus. The design is simple, using white and blue tones that don't distract you. You log in, and your Getting Started guide is here, which is very helpful for new users. It's not trying to be everything for everyone. It's trying to be a clear workspace for a salesperson. If Monday is a box of Lego bricks where you build your own castle, Pipedrive is a finished house ready for you to move in. Now, let's talk about the people you're trying to reach, your contacts and leads. Pipedrive handles this with a very distinct separation. They have a leads inbox, which is like a waiting room. This is where you keep the folks you aren't sure about yet so they don't clutter up your main workspace. Once a lead is ready, you convert them into a deal. They also have a feature called Smart Contact Data. You just type in an email, and it searches the web, like LinkedIn or Google, to find a face and a job title for that name. It saves you from doing the digging yourself. Monday handles this differently. Because it's built on those boards we mentioned, your leads are just items on a list. You can create a leads board and a contacts board. It's very flexible, but it doesn't have that dedicated waiting room feeling out of the box like Pipedrive does. You have to build that flow yourself. Monday is great if your contact data is complex and unique, but Pipedrive feels more natural for a classic sales team that just wants to sort the good leads from the bad ones quickly. Now, the sales pipeline is where the work actually gets done. Pipedrive is the one that really made the Kanban view famous in sales. It's a visual board where you drag a deal from qualified to negotiation to won. It's incredibly smooth. They have this little feature called rotting deals. If a deal sits in one stage too long without you touching it, it turns red. It's like a gentle tap on the shoulder saying, "Hey, don't forget about me." It keeps the flow moving. Monday uses a pipeline too, but it's actually just another view of their boards. You can set it up to look like a Kanban board, and it works well. You can drag and drop just the same. But because Monday is trying to be a project tool and a CRM at the same time, it sometimes feels a little less specialized. It doesn't have that rotting deal visual right out of the box in the same intuitive way. However, Monday shines if your pipeline is complicated. Like if a sale needs approval from 3 different departments before it moves. You can build those rules easily. But for pure, fast-paced selling, Pipedrive's pipeline feels like it flows a little easier. Once the deal is won, the work isn't over. You have to deliver on your promise. Here, Monday is standing on its home ground. This tool was born for project management. You can take a one deal and instantly turn it into a project with tasks, deadlines, and dependencies. You can see who on your team is overloaded with work and who is free. It has Gantt charts and timelines built right into its core. It connects the sales team to the delivery team without any seams. Pipedrive has realized this is a weak spot, so they recently added a projects feature. It allows you to convert a one deal into a project plan. It's a good step forward, and for a small team, it might be enough. You can assign tasks and track progress. But compared to Monday, it's very basic. If your business involves complex delivery after the sale, like construction or software development, Pipedrive's project tools might feel a bit thin. We are living in a time where our tools should think with us. Let's look at the smarts behind these two. Pipedrive has an AI sales assistant. It looks at your deals and suggests what you should do next. It might say, "You haven't emailed this person in a week. You should reach out." It also has features to help you write emails and summarize long email threads, so you don't have to read every word. It focuses heavily on helping the individual salesperson save time. Monday takes a different approach. They have Monday AI, which helps with writing and summarizing too. But their real strength is in their automation center. It's not AI, it's logic, but it's powerful. You can set up rules like, when a deal is signed, notify the manager, create a project board, and send a welcome email. The visual builder for this is beautiful. You don't need to be a coder to make complex workflows. While Pipedrive automates sales tasks well, Monday automates the entire business process across different departments better. Finally, we need to look back at the trail we've walked and see what we accomplished. Pipedrive has an Insights tab that is incredibly detailed for sales. It tells you things like your conversion rate, how fast deals are moving, and why you are losing deals. It's ready to go the moment you start using it. You don't have to build anything. It answers the questions a sales manager asks every Monday morning. Monday relies on dashboards. These are like blank canvases where you add widgets. You can build a chart to show sales, a battery to show project progress, and a number to show revenue. It's stunning to look at, and you can mix sales data with project data on one screen. But you have to build it yourself. It doesn't give you those deep sales metrics automatically like Pipedrive does. If you want quick answers, Pipedrive wins. If you want a custom control room for your whole business, Monday wins. We have reached the end of our comparison, and now you must decide. If your team is a pack of hunters, pure salespeople who need focus, speed, and clear targets, Pipedrive is the better choice. It respects the art of selling and doesn't clutter your way. But if your business is a village, where sales, marketing, and project teams all need to work together in one place, Monday is the stronger foundation. It bridges the gap between the promise of a sale and the delivery of the work. So pick the one that fulfills your needs and share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching.